I'm at 3635 West 46th Street in the Clark Fulton neighborhood of Cleveland. This is a large duplex, lots of upgrades. Front porch looks good. Trying to get you can see the roof on the porch there. Looks nice, dimensional shingle. Get a view of that roof. There we go. So, roof looks really nice. Driveway, we've got the downstairs unit, and then we've got the upstairs unit and a nice big backyard. Okay, so we're gonna enter the up unit, but I wanted to show you the backyard because it's kind of crazy. Got this big yard that is completely fenced in with a newer fence. So, really pretty nice, I have to say. Okay, and we're gonna head to the upstairs unit. Steep steps, but it's worth the climb. This is a very, very, very nice unit here. So we've got the laundry room, and we're gonna go right into the good stuff here. So we got this awesome kitchen with these great appliances. That's a built-in table, chandelier above it. Got granite countertops, lots of cabinet space. Got this big, huge sink, the nice faucet, this awesome stove. I mean, huge refrigerator. Got LVT flooring. Got a little porch off the back here. Nothing too exciting, but a good place to hang out. Bathroom. So we got a sink here with the what do you call it, quartz, and ceramic tile flooring, and tub with surround. So this is the back of the unit. We've got the laundry here. Now we're heading to the front. So this will be the living room. We've got all vinyl windows. We've got bedroom 1 here. All the bedrooms have closets. Nice big hallway here. So we'll split off. We got 2 bedrooms. Got 1 here. And this is the biggest. So this is a real good size. There are very nice ceiling fans and light fixtures all over the place, which is a nice bonus. Walls are in great shape. Ceilings look good. Attic's kind of full of junk, but it's huge. So, not a ton to see up here, but you can see some of the new plumbing, and you can tell, the sheathing was replaced. So at some point there was a complete tear off down to the wood. Okay, so we're the downstairs unit. For tenant privacy, we're not going to see the bedrooms or anything like that, but and they're very similar to upstairs. But I do want to show you the bathroom. We've got the upgraded tile here. Very nice. Tile shower. And again, we got the ceramic in the kitchen. Again, nice open kitchen. This has kind of got a dedicated dining room here. And there's a pass-through, so you can cook, throw it right on the pass-through and grab it for dinner. Granite counters again. We got the white cabinets, nice huge sink. Similar to upstairs. This is a glass tile So you can see it's got that reflection in it. So that's glass tile backsplash, which is great. And let's go downstairs. So you're seeing we got you know, a newer stack and drain here with clean outs. We got washer and dryer, hot water tank. Looks like one newer, one old. You kind of got a neat little setup down here. You know, place to play cards or office. You know, just a spot to get away. It looks good. Here's the wiring. You know, from down here, looks like upgraded wiring, boxes, and then we've got the furnaces back here. I apologize, it's a little dark, but this looks like the older furnace here, and then there's a newer pane over here. And that's all I got.